Hey, check this out. Does your vent do this? And then scrape up your floor? Well, we're gonna fix that. So I wanted to show you guys real quick what I did. I measured the size of the hole and I measured the size of the vent. So I subtracted those two numbers and I came up with this. I'm gonna take the final measurements and divide them in half. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot glue off-cut pieces of wood on all the corners that keeps it from moving around. Let's go do that. All right, one last thing to do. Let's go. Look how crazy this thing looks. And you know what? See if it actually worked. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, yes. Yes. Come on now. Oh, look at that. Calling this one done. Quick fix. Yes, I'm working on it.
Doing great.
You're not helping.
Okay.
Okay.